focus on question 3 of the 2025 5th grade math STAAR test. We always look at the question first, and it says, what is the difference between the fraction of chocolate cookies sold and the fraction of vanilla cookies sold? So here are our models, and we have chocolate, which is 2/3. And difference means I'm going to subtract. And then we have our vanilla, which is 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2/8. So I'm subtracting 2/3 minus 2/8 because I want to know the difference between my chocolate cookies and my vanilla cookies. Okay? Remember, in order to add or subtract, I need to have a common denominator. And the best way to find a common denominator is I'm just going to take my 3 and my 8. I'm going to multiply them together to create different fractions. Remember, they're the same. They just look different because I'm making a common denominator. Okay? So, 3 times 8 is 24. And I'm going to have 24 over here. So, if I multiply 3 by 8, whatever I do to the bottom, I got to do the top. So, 2 times 8 is 16. Now, over here, I have my 8. 8 times 3. And again, whatever I do to the bottom, I got to do to the top. So, if I'm multiplying 8 by 3, I'm going to do the same with my 2. 2 times 3 is 6. So now I can subtract, right? So I have 16 24ths, and I'm going to subtract 6 24ths. Remember, this 16 24ths is the same as that 2/3. It just looks different. This 6 24ths is that same as my 2/8, just looks different, okay? So 16 minus 6 is going to give me 10. And again, my denominator always stays the same. So I have that 24 still the same. If I look at my answers over here, though, all of my answers have 12 as a denominator. That tells me I got to reduce my fraction. We talked about the easiest way to reduce these fractions is if I have an even number, to reduce it by 2. Means how many times can 2 go into 10? Again, whatever I do on the top, I do the bottom. Whatever I do the bottom, I do the top. So if I'm going to divide by 2, 10 divided by 2, that gives me 5. 24 divided by 2 is 12. Now there is no more numbers because 5 can only be divisible by 1 and 5. And 12 cannot be divisible by 5. So this is the smallest I can go. In fact, if I look over here, I look letter C, I have 5/12, and that would be my answer.